What's up, guys? Got a unique one here. This is a 1977 Dodge Charger. This one's got a 360 under the hood. It's getting warm right now. Seems to run pretty good so far. We're gonna take it down the road, check it out, see what's wrong with it. Anything I see, I will point out. Check us out at maplemotors.com. We buy cars every day. You can see all of our new inventory every Monday. We also have financing and shipping available. So jump on over to that website and check it out. If you hit that subscribe button and then hit that little notification bell, it'll let you know every time I post a car. And we're also gonna do a complete walk around of the outside, checking the paint and the undercarriage. That'll be a separate video, but I'll link them together at the end of this one. Tell you what, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, this interior is pretty nice on this one. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? This one actually smells decent inside. Smells clean. I don't know what to compare it to. It's got a little bit of a crayon smell, I guess. I mean, the carpet's in good shape. Let's go ahead and start it up. Get them old starters. Here, it's still spinning. Here we go. Starts up pretty easy. See if our radio works. It is working. Coming across the dash here, I don't know if that oil pressure gauge works or not. It's not really moving. The engine temperature's coming up. The gas gauge is at a quarter tank. Alternator gauge looks like it's working. Very well could be the original miles on this one too. 51,000 is what it's showing. Let's try our wipers. Boom, baby. They're working. They did a little dancing for us. Let's see if the AC cuts on. Compressor's not kicking on this one. It will need AC work. It's all there though. And then of course, like I said, the interior looks awesome. Got a little bitty sunroof. It's in such good shape. What do y'all think? Think the horn works? Oh yeah. Let's hit the road and see how she drives. Okay. Digging under my seat here if I get this seat belt out. It's kind of behind me here. Well, there it goes. All right, got that seat belt on. Anything that I see that is wrong with this one, I will let you know. That's what I do in every video, and I'll continue to do so. Let me see if I can get out of here. Tight quarters there. It's already feeling nice and smooth. I think this is gonna be a good driver. This right here would be a daily. Sunroof. Let's leave her open during the ride. Feels nice out here. Taking off down the road, nice and smooth. This thing's going straight as an arrow. As soon as I turn, it turns nice and tight. The speedometer is way off. It says we're going 60. We're only running about 40 right now. Our oil pressure gauge just jumped up all at once. I think it is kind of glitching. It is about halfway right now. Kick down, it's working. Working good. Pulling us on down the road. Tell you what, we are going to go a back road here. Because I got to run an errand during this test drive. But I did want to go down this stretch of road. Just got to check it out. This right here is a boat. pretty quick. Shouldn't have any issues. If you pull out in front of somebody, it'll get out of the way. Suspension on this thing is not in bad shape. This road is very rough, lots of dips and bumps. There's a huge one coming up here. Kind of listen for rattles and shakes. Right here it comes down and comes back up, so this is going to be the nice and smooth. Bit of a hesitation when I initially hit the gas, probably because the car has been sitting and it just needs to be driven, some fresh gas put in it. Speaking of that, we're about quarter tank, so we will stop, put some fuel in it, and I don't know just the spot. Turn signals are popping up right here in the center on the dash. I'll try both of them. They're both working. See that little bit of a hesitation as we're taking off? And that should gradually go away the more miles we put on this motor in that carburetor, clean itself out. Now back here we have got some windy roads. We're going to be going slow. Probably just going to cut to the next scene. What we'll be doing is I'll find a parking lot. I'll drive over the camera, give you some undercarriage shots. I'm also going to do that full walk around, pointing out any flaws on the outside, inside of this car, which it looks awesome. There's not a lot of flaws on the inside here. Even the dash is nice and solid. It's not cracked up. I know the paint job is in decent shape. I noticed a lot of wax left over from the previous owner. And we just get into simple detail. We wash, vacuum them up, and put them out on the lot. Would be nice to have an in-house guy that can speed buff though. I've been saying that for years. It's just talking the family into doing it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the next scene and get these outside shots. Up here at the gas station, we'll throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this ride, and we'll continue rolling down the road. Gas tank is back here. Let's get to going. So our gas gauge is up here, and it was on pretty much E. Now we're gonna start her up, and it does work. Works good. Let's take off. right, been circling around the parking lot. Engine temp is good, oil pressure's good. We're ready to roll. There's more traffic today than I've seen ever. I don't know why, but I don't like it. We're gonna try to get out of here at some point. All right. Ooh, that guy was flying around that turn just then. We had to get out in front of him. Try and get the sun out of y'all's shot here. There we go. Now you can see a little bit better. This one runs and drives great. I don't see any reason you couldn't daily drive it. Little hesitation there is cleared up quite a bit. The brakes feel awesome. I was hoping to let these people get way ahead, but let's see. No hesitation there now. I think what helped is that new gas. I ended up putting about $32, $33 worth of gas in this one. And it has definitely improved response. All right. Okay, we made it back around. We're gonna pull into the car lot. Definitely watch both videos. I did 2 videos of this car, pointing out flaws all the way around it. Check out maplemotors.com. That way you can see all of our inventory that we pick up. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one, guys. Thanks again.